Hello viewers, welcome to my another blog. In this blog I will show you the some beautiful places of our area. I hope you will watch this video till end and you will be interested, you will feel happy for watching this video. So so guys, let's start our video. First of all, I will show you the some important places that it is near our house. You can see there is a one police station where police used to stay, but this police station is covered by the forest, by the all the side, so it's look amazing to watch. And it is near the roads. And less you can see that the portrait is about the king of god of the religious, which is beautiful. And while recording I am got this monkey sitting there alone, and just I have added him also in the video. And you can see behind me there is a one temple which is very beautiful. This is view from the left side of the temple, and I will show you the front view of the temple. You can see this is the front view of the temple. I will say this about this temple. This temple was established on the 1980, and it is very old, but due to color painting it look good. And this temple belongs to means Buddhist community, and they used to worship and pray here in this temple. Look, this temple is like a golden temple, but it is colored, so it is so beautiful. And this is the place where we used to buy the vegetables. You can see that now it is closed due to the coronavirus. Social distance is important, so this nowadays these shops are closed. And you can see that our shop and roads are near. And last of all, this is our football ground where my friends are playing football. You can see this football ground is in the middle of the forest, and it look amazing. Thanks for watching till now.